In this video we will discover more about arteries, veins and capillaries. We'll look at what makes them different and how they keep us healthy. We all know that the arteries transport blood away from the heart to the various parts of the body through capillaries. The veins whereas collect blood from body through capillaries and transport it towards heart, while capillaries are the connectors which link arteries and veins together. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary arteries. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins. Capillaries have mixed oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in them. Arteries have no valves in them except at the base of pulmonary trunk and aorta. In veins, the valves are present which prevent the backflow of blood, while in capillaries, there are no valves at all. Arteries have high blood pressure in them. The veins on the other hand have low blood pressure, while in capillaries, the blood pressure falls. In arteries, the wave of pressure or pulse due to heartbeat can be detected, while there's no pulse in the case of veins and capillaries. The blood flow is rapid, which is 400 to 500 mm per second in aorta, and it decreases in arteries and arterioles, while the rate of blood flow increases from smaller to larger veins. In capillaries, the blood flow is slower, which is less than 1 mm per second. The arteries have smaller bore and are thick-walled in aspect of their structure. This is in contrast to veins which have a large bore and are thin-walled. Capillaries have a larger bore and have one cell-thickened wall. In arteries, there is a thick muscular layer and elastic fibers are present in the wall. This elasticity helps changing the pulsating flow of blood. Veins have thin muscular layer as well as less elastic fibers and are less elastic, while capillaries lack muscles and elastic fibers at all. Arteries and veins have no exchangeable materials, while capillaries are capable of exchanging materials between blood and the body tissues. So, to summarize the whole discussion, arteries, veins and capillaries are the three main types of blood vessels in our body. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, with thick walls and strong pressure, allowing blood to flow rapidly. On the other hand, veins carry oxygen-depleted blood back to the heart, with thinner walls and lower pressure, resulting in slower blood flow. Capillaries, the smallest vessels, facilitate the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between blood and tissues. In simple words, arteries deliver, veins return, and capillaries exchange.